The boom in tech companies coming out of Australia means there are exciting high-profile opportunities on offer in areas such as cybersecurity, AI and quantum computing.
I think the tech sector is one of the most exciting parts of the Australian economy. It's grown immensely in the last 3 decades, so we've already produced over 100 tech companies in Australia worth over $100 million, and more than 20 of them are now worth over $1 billion.
Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing technology sectors in Australia.
The Australian economy is today spending $5.6 billion on cybersecurity products and services. This is growing at a rate of 20% year on year.
But in research, Australia is really world #1, I would say, in cybersecurity research. In various rankings, we are, in terms of publication citation, we are #1. In terms of patent filing, we are world #4.
Australia's AI capabilities are part of a network of the world's best universities, research facilities and professional networks.
So the Australian Institute of Machine Learning, we're consistently ranked in the top 5 in the world. There's a real opportunity here to lean into Australia in terms of our global position.
Australia has such exciting and accelerating AI momentum and such strong differentiation. If I think about our strengths, robotics, computer vision, a first mover advantage in responsible AI, and over 20 years of quantum AI work that we continue to focus on.
Google's $1 billion investment into its first Australian research hub is a testament to our world-leading quantum computing capabilities.
I'll be doing most of my research in collaboration with Google, so this is on areas in quantum algorithms.
Australia is a world leader in the area of quantum computation. We've had sustained results over 20 years with a very deep knowledge base.
Australia's smart and skilled digitech professionals are transforming their visions into reality.
You can recruit the best and most amazing talent here. You can get a ton of government support.
I think the tech sector is one of the most exciting parts of the Australian economy.